From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Cohesity Certified Protection Professional, NetBackup Appliances, COH-285, exam. Skill tested in Cohesity Protection Professional NetBackup Appliances, COH-285, exam. COH-285 exam overview. Master exam domains, topics. How to pass the Cohesity COH-285 exam. 1. Which of the following is true about the NetBackup Appliance product page? A. It provides detailed information about the hardware specifications of the appliance. B. It offers free training courses on how to use NetBackup Appliance. C. It lists the compatible operating systems and applications with NetBackup Appliance. D. It only provides information about the latest version of NetBackup Appliance. Answer: A. 2. What is the purpose of the NetBackup 10.0 release notes? A. To provide a list of new features and enhancements in the latest version of NetBackup. B. To offer free training courses on how to use NetBackup. C. To provide support for NetBackup users. D. To list the prices of NetBackup licenses. Answer: A. 3. What is the role of NetBackup storage units in a backup environment? A. To define where backup data is stored, whether on disk or tape. B. To monitor backup jobs and send alerts for failed backups. C. To manage backup schedules and policies. D. To provide a catalog of backed up data for easy restoration. Answer: A. 4. Which of the following is true about the NetBackup documentation landing page? A. It provides a list of available training courses on NetBackup. B. It only offers documentation for the latest version of NetBackup. C. It includes white papers, guides, and videos on best practices for NetBackup. D. It provides troubleshooting advice for NetBackup users. Answer: C. 5. What is the purpose of NetBackup compatibility lists? A. To provide a comprehensive list of supported operating systems, applications, and hardware for NetBackup. B. To list the prices of NetBackup licenses. C. To offer troubleshooting advice for NetBackup users. D. To provide free training courses on how to use NetBackup. Answer: A. 6. Which of the following steps are involved in configuring cloud storage in NetBackup? A. Defining cloud storage credentials and configuring a cloud storage server. B. Creating a new disk pool and configuring a cloud storage unit. C. Configuring a storage lifecycle policy and specifying the cloud storage target. D. Configuring a storage unit group and defining the backup schedule for cloud storage. Answer: A. 7. What is the role of storage unit groups in NetBackup? A. To define the physical location of the storage units in the backup environment. B. To specify the backup schedule for storage units. C. To manage the retention period and life cycle of backup data. D. To provide load balancing and failover for backup jobs. Answer: D. 8. What are the steps involved in configuring advanced disk storage in NetBackup? A. Creating a new disk pool and configuring a storage unit group. B. Specifying the advanced disk storage path and disk group parameters. C. Defining the storage lifecycle policy and retention period for backup data. D. Configuring the storage tiering and replication options for advanced disk storage. Answer: B. 9. What are the two types of disk storage that NetBackup supports for backup data? A. Basic disk and advanced disk. B. Standard disk and premium disk. C. Simple disk and complex disk. D. Basic disk and media server deduplication pool, MSDP. Answer: A. 10. What are the two types of reports that NetBackup provides to verify and monitor backup activities? A. Activity Monitor and Ops Center Analytics. B. Job Monitor and Report Manager. C. Backup Monitor and Dashboard Analytics. D. Activity Monitor and Report Manager. Answer: A. Subscribe and like past question.